Odafo, mamima wakwaba emfa wombra GCN page so meeting at the adjoa searching. Bestow subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on the so. Ube a notification and some echo so or may be a benny beatie and I say ube be a share a word GCN page here. Fellas appear a Facebook blogger or known a hosty program about in political zone or your NPP ni. Nanny Nancy the Yansam Ketua offer book in a paper. Now all your research online there any day or can you misa because also Ghana for say be your party and packing kind into the ate no fire small radio to TV so it was social media not just here the nam yen pen kware and then sad the obebo modern atone boase aya research no be kan akere say na beti ye ho ase because na do be your president or ye niam pa Ghana for yen pa de pa yen yes yen hu nti on say yen hu ya obekan akere na ne nsem kan mu e na o kire say Sisi NDC amayoko na da hono se Ghana fo ka se nye NDC fo omo fo mampani da John Dramani Mahama mba so ntu frank e mo a na omo boa Ghana NDC fo kasa na omo da Ghana fo he omo ni obi a omo de ne ba o mampani da John Dramani Mahama na omo de ne ba na ono kra na omo de ne ba kra na Ghana fo yende Felix e chese MPP fo kra omo optese omo akoma ato mu yem form e yo mo de Esan say or man penny that John Dramani Mahama no omo de ne ba NPP for so bebo modern ahwehwe ma afefe omo ani ase no mo yi candidate a obetumi e face your man penny that John Dramani Mahama ye se na be ya obetumi awe a ebi bada and say 2016 or 2016 or no and 2020 is or no sa and I send this for Samson de na baby odia and MPP for so omo na omo ani ade ho no mo afehwe candidate oba o mampenda da John Dramani Mahama besan so awe into omo do omo ya ready pa omo twen no so mampenda da obere because candidate MPP for the behia no onya ne ti kwan didim na yenti nsema Felix ede etudwa
road okuja to abroko I am the one saying this na wo face ni paweda I am the one saying this somebody send it to him ono no ya na oye you say or the crofo be court we dem person call dem court and ko betitin ye because I need the pictures ni na ego me say somebody should ask okuja to abroko say eba ne sen and within just a year in power wotumi be to dan e wo Mississauga Road Canada Samba to dan e wo Finch and Islington Canada o me kan kire me and then your morals or personal morals because yama obi afem agenda or party ni pese o mu play no leaders bi anyesa enti yen yom ho ne yemfa me leader abodam you can never be close to Haruna Idrisu as a matter of fact Haruna Idrisu no for that day they thought say yen tumi megina ha wo bra ye ka say ye paade de akoma ye kurofo nanso ye be stop anything that Mr. Ekufuado do all because we are NDC people me ye NDC ni nti ye twe light aba me kuro me say dey bi mempene me ye NDC ni say dey be ya na Ekufuado ho be ye tan nti ye de ade e ba kura me say dey bi ye nkwaji bi. That is what you want your leaders to do. Me say the operation is clear. Now obi obeka cho say Mr. Mahama is not coming back for flag bearer bia ka cho nipa ko ne say me say or your trofo omu ni obi a omede ne ba e ka Mr. Mahama na yeso ye betwe ne pa na me be yadom you will find the right candidate for him. I believe we have the right candidate for him. Me say mumbisa sa NDC fuo we no mo say aden e na say bibia ye propaganda mo. Why must everything be propaganda for these people to win? Me say, me ankasa, me ko Ghana. One district, one factory, me ko humbi, me trebi pictures. AstroTurfs, me ko Madina de no, me ko Dansuma de no crowd say jam NPB na ye, no problem. But I saw it. Fadama, Miami place, Fadama. Chief Imam ho. Chief Imam, God always bless you. May God give you more life. May God continue to give you more life so you can govern this country very well with the wisdom you have. We appreciate you, Chief Imam. Nyamin shira no ma unkwatenten. Yesrewa tenase. Na de bia no do mining na emfa ho NDC MPP. Na de bia kan yebo musa. Ye ni so. Oko wa ebi wo AstroTurf no, ebi wo. We are to aba ama. Go to parliament and work for your constituency, which comprises of NDC, MPP, PPP, CPP, independent, people who don't even care about politics. Now we'll say we NDC ni. Now say we can fight for any amapa bre wo constituency na. E de anyonyam ebebre na na Akufo-Addo. Enti wo kwa ko block bibia na Akufo-Addo pese wo ye. And Esiedun Ketia. Esiedun Ketia of all people. Etimia Soria Baby Jinaho to defend something like this. Esiedun Ketia and yes, Erika J no na aircon. When Erika J no na omo jira na omo bo omo siri mu aka. Into our koto skirt and blouse no. Maybe say, have you done any good for you ankasa wo ho? Say, a buy no agenda. Now by force, so I'm a person near power sharing. My for executive there, yes, for parliament. More for parliament be a. As a matter of fact, say crown you vote to I will more vote to chemo. Semu ni mo NDC for na mo gine Jimmy yare mo no mon kan mo yamun toburo no Jimmy Samo no muntie say aba ni say you vote to a parliament ya ye wo more chemo speaker can't save you. Mon crofo ni bebre ntiapo enam adwenbone a na wo yetrim nti ni bebre ntiapo enti eba se ye vote po na se wo mu ni na akra mu de wo mu gu hiri cha mu ba na ese tai kra na independent nti na Akufo-Addo will get his way because of the independent or there are two papers so one yen na be yadwuma in the house enti samu ko vote pampe 137 kra. Because of independent, Mr. Siaba Nintino, MPP will still have their way in parliament any day for the next 4 years. Intimo Pelkra, mon cost so for example, for number number chairman and fire home. The sweetness of the pudding is in the eating. A do say you vote to. Now, my confirm a sin of MPs won't be vote to be so on the moon. Why? Me say as it stands right now, no crown, you could a number same, and this head Jimmy and Munjai. You cannot block me to me your foco. You guys can't block shit. Say I am when 137 move to me control. Yeah, it is a fucking hang parliament for God's sake. And we have the majority in parliament. So when we go to vote, we would always vote over you. All we need is 138 to form majority per our constitution. 138. And we form majority. Then to obia the NDC for the nan to know. What would you me papa me Miss Mobia and Sromun to me your foco. Omo to me your foco. None of them can do shit. They have nothing to do. Because Omo 137 in now to know krana. Yes, you're 137 in a better yes. Say be pie. A pie. Independent and a better him. Independent nankasa can be too much wrong letter and then such a crat as say 1 MPP for the baby business. Oh, the lady never can one, eh? And you 138. One winnie. How much do you need? Jimmy for among Kaya Sam, that be among the bear propaganda. Be among the bear propaganda. More to be your foco. Now Akufo-Addo will be better. His last 4 years will be better. Me bon pie say, honorable Matthew. Omo for sa power yi omo ye omo fixing in term na ni amansan so and come back to stream na Akufo-Addo on picking the minister deputy near the ade no for obi adwuma nhye ne nsa na yen starting mu Ghana ya to abawie ye wo ye 4 months mu still ano yen to kra implement ni ama ye because yen hyehyɛ aban ni wie ye no wa starting kam o man ni mu ayedin ya to aba wonya ni ministers po wie ade ministers na ekoye adwuma kra no mo si on stop wom mo se mo nko enso mo si aba na nya hwe anko me fa nkurasefo wo mo tete to no mo se ase kro no e na anko ma me fa mo enkoye adwuma. Don't the president need people to work for him? Doesn't he need representatives? And no crown for mu wie ye Unkwasi abra wo boy a Ghana fo apom party tantan no party na nimdie bia nim party na ferie nim free education so no maye dem ho ma party amawi no so mo court am nkura evidence enum guasefo party mo nkwasi asem wo mutirimuti mo se Ghana enhye